Colorectal anastomotic leakage is a serious complication after colorectal surgery, leading to high morbidity and mortality rates. In this surgical procedure, the C-seal, a biofragmentable drain, is stapled to the colorectal anastomosis to protect the anastomosis from leakage. First, the C-seal is attached to the anvil of the circular stapler. Next, the anvil with the attached C-seal is inserted into the proximal bowel loop. The circular stapler is then fired to attach the C-seal to the bowel anastomosis, and the stapler is removed from the rectum. By removing the stapler, the C-seal is withdrawn from the anus. Finally, the C-seal is cut 4 cm from the anal verge, and the C-seal is left protruding from the anus.
The main advantage of using the C-seal over existing methods is that the C-seal protects against extravasation of feces outside the bowel lumen in case of colorectal anastomotic dehiscence. Well, the C-seal looks like the concept used in the 1980s by Ravo and Ger. They invented the ColoShield, but the big difference between the C-seal and the ColoShield is that the C-seal is attached together with the stapling machine, and the ColoShield is attached in the bowel proximal to the anastomotic site. So you have to do an extra handling to attach the ColoShield inside the bowel, and that takes a lot of time, extra surgical time. And the C-seal is attached together with the surgical stapler to the anastomotic site, and thereby no extra delay is introduced in the surgical procedure.
Dilute the polymer to a suitable concentration for spray coating and spray the polyurethane solution.